guys, we are here outside. We're making camping. Say hi. Ellen, say hi. We're looking the planets. And here's our telescope to see the universe. Huh? What do you call that? Telescope?
This is Starfinder.
A star finder? Star bright, starlight. What may star ron? What did you feel? You feel something?
I feel a hole.
Maybe there is a sinkhole.
I think there might be an earthquake.
Earthquake? Sinkhole?
Focus on it. That's exactly
Oh my God! Ellen, you are so naughty.
Thank you, Hella. I'm super naughty.
Ellen is super naughty.
Get out.
Ellen, no.
Your head up. Your head
Ellen. Yes, that's fine. That's my daughter. Very naughty.
What?
I can't see it.
You're in the butt. I can't believe it's super.
Where is the star?
There's
Over there.
that's a star.
That is Mars,
Jupiter.
Jupiter, and then that one is Venus, and this is Marian, star for all season.
Ade. Yeah.
Oh!
It's another planet.
Daddy say,
Don't turn the light.
oh. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
We are ready to see the sun,
Look at that. It's looking on the
the sky.
sky.
Okay, I'm sorry. We're looking for the planet. Where is the planet? Oh, there is that's the Jupiter.
You wash my eyes out, we won't find anything.
I'm sorry.
That is,
Oh,
yeah, see if I can find it.
what is that going flying in my cell phone?
Go on me. Go on me.
Get your shoes. Come on.
Where are you going?
We'll find the star.
That's in mine. What did you say?
We'll find the star. Come on, hurry up.
One, two, three.
Wait, I will get it.
Okay.
Here is your shoes. Come on.
I see it. Dad, I see
Get
it.
that bright
There we
light
go.
off of it. You can't see anything.
Dancing, dancing.
It's so dark.
Real fast. Wait.
Daddy, go.
I know we have no. Honey, in an elevator. Trust me.
Where's Arlene? I don't see you there.
It's super black. Ah! We have
Oh my God,
Tommy.
Please.
Can you call me? Oh my God, it's super dark. We can't see anyone. I just show this movie out so we can see everyone.
Yeah.
How we
Settle down. This is too little to be running over people.
See?
See, this is all open under the net.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are dark.
It's crowded.
It's crowded. See, Daddy, turn off the light.
It is
We need to put
Clown
the
it.
thing up
A
there.
pool of humans.
Up there, that.
We need more
Law.
humans. Hi guys. Sorry about guys.
We not sleep in the tent because it's scary outside. There is a monster rock.
Even there is actually bugs.
It's only bugs. It's not a monster.
Yeah.
How about Ellen?
She's
So we will-
sleeping.
We'll show Ellen. Hi, Ellen. You're sleeping, Dad?
Say hi to Bunny. She missed our video. I feel bad for her.
We like to go outside, but scary. And
Only in the
cold.
daytime.
Only in daytime. We do camping again in the morning.
And then when it gets afternoon and nighttime, we have to do our first time sleeping at night.
Yeah. Who is pretty? You or Mama?
Both.
Both.
Even Ellen.
Ah,
Don't worry guys, tomorrow we're going to camp again.
you see the universe?
Yep.
You see the star?
Yeah. It was fun looking at the stars, but now I feel sad for it not looking at the stars.
Good night, guys.
Good night guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, the darkness. And please don't forget to subscribe. Marian Heiter. Thank you. God bless.